Hello, my name is Rodrigo, and this is my pamphlet of Unit 8, The Landscape. The landscape. All the different features of the Earth's surface. There are high mountains in some areas, and there is low flat land in other areas. Types of landscapes. The mountain landscapes, the flat landscapes, and the coastal landscapes. Mountains. Mountains are raised parts of the Earth's surface. Altitude is the height of something above sea level or the Earth's surface. Hills have a lower altitude than mountains. Several mountains grouped together are called a mountain range. A long line of mountain range is called a mountain chain. Valleys are low areas between mountains. Plains. Plains are large areas of flat land with no hills or slopes. A plateau is a plain at a high altitude. Depressions are plains which are lower than the surrounding land. And the coastal plains are flat land near the coast. Okay, my friends, this is the second pamphlet about the mountains and plains in Spain. Mountains and plains in Spain. This is a map about the mountains and plains in Spain. The Iberian Peninsula has many different landscapes. Central Spain is dominated by a large plateau called the Central Plateau. This is divided into two parts by the Central Mountain Chain. The Pyrenees is a mountain chain to the north of the Central Plateau. The Iberian Chain to the east of the Central Plateau. The Betic Chain is a mountain chain to the south of the Central Plateau. There are two extensive depressions. The Ebro Depression that is in the north, and the Guadalquivir Depression that is in the south. This is the next pamphlet, called the coast. The coast. The coast is the place where the land meets the sea. There are two types of coast. Low-lying coasts are plains by the sea. They often have sandy beaches. High coasts are mountains or high areas by the sea. They often have rocky cliffs. Types of coastal line. Coastal lines have different shapes. A cape is land which extends into the sea. A gulf is a place where the sea extends into the land. A peninsula is land which is almost completely surrounded by water. An island is land which is completely surrounded by water. An archipelago is a group of islands. An estuary is the part of a river which opens into the sea. And the marsh is wetland near the mouth of a river. And this is the ultimate pamphlet, called the Spanish Coast. Spanish Coast has more than 6,000 kilometers of coastline in the peninsula. There are 5 types of coast. The Cantabrian coast has rocky cliffs, estuaries, and gulfs. The Atlantic coast is very varied. In the northwest, it is high and rocky. There are many estuaries, and in the south, it is low-lying and sandy. The Mediterranean coast is low-lying and sandy. There are many long beaches. The coastal line in the Canary Islands varies greatly. And in the Balearic Islands, high coasts alternate with long beaches. This is all, my friends. Thank you for your time, and I hope you understand and you like it. Bye bye!